Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel once again. This is your Nagbhushan. I am going to tell you regarding the one of the greatest photo editing app. Nowadays, this is a Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter era. So the uh, people would like to upload their photos in the social medias. Before uploading the photos, whatever the camera that they are taken, they would like to edit the pic, and they have to post in the social medias. Because of that, they are searching for many editing apps. Among them, I will suggest you one of the greatest app, that is uh, Snapseed. Yes, Snapseed. Yes, you see this app, Snapseed. So after you installing the Snapseed in the Google Play Store, you have to open this. That interface looks like this, and you have to press on plus button, and it will redirect your redirect you to the gallery. So in that, you have to choose one of the photo in your gallery you would like to post in the social medias. So I am going to select one of the photos. Wait for a while, I'll come back. Yes, I'll take from gallery. Yes, albums. In that albums, I have to take I'll take this photo, as it is not clear, so I am taking this photo. In the beginning itself, you come to know, see, these are the different varieties of photos you have to already uh, built in system. So you have to take that one of the, you have first, it's a basic thing. You may take the this one. I'll tell you. See this one, portrait and smooth. Yes, the face will become smooth. See this face, how much it will become smooth. And pop. And also next accenture. Yes, then faded glow. Yes, next one, morning. Brightness is there, and bright again, full bright. And here fine art kind of picture. Yes, next one, uh, push. This is one kind of the next one, structure. Yes, next one, yes, silhouette. Yes, this kind. So like this, it's they are readily available. You can choose any one of them. If you don't like this, you can go further. So next, you have to add this tool. Is there no this tool? Here there are plenty options are given, so you can use this as your editing option. Firstly, tune image. You see this tune image usually. Yes, here you see the brightness. So you select brightness means, okay, after selecting brightness, you see you have to at this side, increasing the brightness. If you scroll this side, decrease of brightness. So you can use any one of it. If you want brightness, scroll yes, right side. If you are not you have to reduce the brightness, scroll leftwards. So I will do it for you. See, you have to increase brightness, you have to increase like this. And if you want to decrease the brightness, you scroll like this. So next, you see, if you want to increase the contrast, just select the contrast. The same thing again this side means, yes, sorry, yes, this side means rightward. You have to scroll rightwards. If you decrease contrast, you have to scroll leftwards. So I'll do it for you. You see, right, it will increase the contrast. If you go leftwards, it will decrease the contrast. So I will increase the contrast little bit. So that's why. So next I have to yes, here the right mark will be there here, so you have to put that right mark. Yes, like that. Next I have to use no, here in a tune option only, tune image option only, there is the saturation is there. Saturation also you have to raise saturation or you have to decrease saturation, as according to your wish you can do it. So next yes, you have to ambience, so you have to use ambience as well. So yes, positive as well as negative, as your wish. If you whatever you feel comfortable, you can use it in that way. So next yes, highlight. If you want to highlight some highlight images, means how to scroll like this. See, it will decrease the and it will increase the highlights. So next one, shadow. So you have to increase the shadow or you have to decrease the shadow. So it's left to you. You can use it as according to your wish. So next one, warmth. You have to use this warmth as well. See, warmth, rising warmth and reducing the warmth. So this will enhance the image quality, and also you can use it in anywhere you want. So next yes, next option, you see here auto adjusted option is there. You can just yes, put the auto adjust as well, and also you can use these filters. So after using this, we shall go to the next one, next option. This is details. So here in details, you can, here you see structuring and shaping, two options are there. So in the structure, you can raise like this structuring, and can reduce the structuring like this. So as your wish, if whatever you would like to do, whatever your photo required, you can do that. So next one, yes, sharpening. You can make this image into a very sharp, that means to say that positive sharpening. You can increase the sharpening or you can decrease the sharpening as according to your wish. So next one, you see here curve is there. By using the curve, you can change the brightness according to your wish. You see, this option is available in the Photoshop, and even in this app also this option is there. You see this in article, this one, if you are raise this, means it will become bright up and it will go so it will dull. So according to your wish, light is enough, more light is required, means you can increase the this one. So this is another important thing. So next we shall come to know the other one, the white balance. So if you are tilted the image somewhere, so that the white balance, this is temperature, it will come white balance. So if you reduce the temperature, if you increase the temperature, it's left to you. You can use according to your wish. It is also very great too. You can use it. You see here auto adjust symbol is there. Here tint is there. Yes, tint. You see this pinkish and yellowish or whatever the thing, you can make it. It's very very good. So next one, you can crop. Yes, you can crop here, and you can rotate here, and you can change the alignment of the image. For example, take for example, we'll choose this perspective. You can yes, so you can tilt this image whatever the thing, direction you want. See, I'll do it for you. Yes, if you have to do, see, this is the rightwards. Yes, that means to say, yes, you see, I scrolled my images in that words, means the image will move upwards. So if you are tilted downwards, means it will come downwards like this. Yes, and if it is tilted rightwards, means like this it will come, and if it is this words rightwards, means it will come like this. You can use it anyway, as according to your wish. You can turn the image according to your wish. So next one, you see the expand. You can expand the things, so that is also good important. And here one of the best option, that is selective. You can select the particular place, and you can give you can edit a particular place. I'll give you example. I'll show you how to edit the particular place. Here I'll do it for you. Here, selective. Here you see there. Here in this area there is a dark area is there. So here I have to edit, means I have to select that place. For example, I will select this place here, and I can increase the brightness like this. Yes, is it increased now? It's good now. And yes, if you want to do it in somewhere else. For example, if you want to decrease this shirt's brightness, you have to use this downwards like this. Firstly, you have to, for example, if you are making this in this area, you have to raise it. If you are raised the brightness, means you have to save it first. So then you have to select this selective once again, and in the article the t-shirt areas, you have to decrease the brightness. See here like this one also you can decrease the brightness. Yes, okay. And once again I have to take the yes, selective option. I'll take this here, and I'll again, it will darken. If the yes, the shirt or something outfit brightness is dull, means then our face will glow. So this is how we have to edit our option, and face must be very good enough like that. So we can do in that way as well. After that, we should not forget to save that. So next there are the healing option is there, brush is there. You can, yes, you can brush it somewhere, and you can healing, means if anything is not needed, means you can rub it out. And HDR space is there, glamour glow is there, and tonal contrast, what I have to your skin must be bright, and your must be little bit dark, like your tones of the skin must maybe edited. And drama is there. Drama scenery means the image is a little bit old version, you can do it. And vintage is also the old one, you can do it. And also grainy film, it is also a little bit film like structure, you can watch it. And here you see black and white, noir, patroid, head pose. Head pose also, your head in the photo, you can change the direction of your head as well. So that is another important option which is available in the Snapseed, and you can make use of it. I'll show you how that head pose works. If for example, take for example, this is a image, how to turn the head in somewhere else. I'll show you. You see the, yes, see, head is turning leftwards now. I'll change it to rightwards. See, head is turning rightwards. So in this way I can adjust the images pose, that means a head pose. So don't forget to save. So next one, see, lens blur is there, you can make it blur. And even vintage also, the old one. And you have to add, you can add a text, you can add frame as well. So these are the many options which are available in the photo Snapseed. And also you can export this. Export here is there now. Yes, so it is this place. Export is there. On that you have to save, or else you can export it. Saving saves whatever you made changes, you have to save it. and in the export option it will create the copy of your photo, and sizing, format and quality can be changed in the setting menu. So then again you can change the format, sizing and quality also in the setting menu as well. So you can use any one of these, either this or this you can use, and you can export the, I'll save. See, all the changes I made is saved, and the image is there in our gallery. We can make use of it whenever we want. I'll show you where exactly the image is there. Yes, here you see in the recent images the photo I made is available here. I can share it, I can use it anytime, anywhere. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you very much, friends. I really excited to publish on the YouTube. It is very much helpful. As you know, every day there are thousands, lakh together photos are uploaded in the Instagram and also Facebook and all those things. While uploading your photo, you can edit and you can upload it in the Facebook or something somewhere in social media. Means you will get more likes and more comments as well, and you will get recognized as well. Thank you very much, friends. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And it is your Astro Kannadiga is signing off from the this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.